all about diamond painting part 3. So if you have not watched or missed the first and second part, please go and watch it on my channel. And I have done one mistake while doing this painting. So if you want to know what mistake I have done, kindly watch the full video. So yeah, here I realized that I have done a mistake, that I did not started it from top to bottom or left to right or vice versa. Yeah, this is the mistake which I have made. So I hope you understood that you should start it either from one of the side and continue in that way only. Don't do it the way I have done it. So yeah, that's it. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and do comment me if you want more videos on diamond painting. That's it. Now you can continue watching the video. Thank you.